Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Excel VBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a one smart data entry user form, okay, or you can say the software. Okay, here we are going to, this actually is going to be very helpful for all the people who all are MIS executive, who all are preparing even for MIS executive, data analyst, business analyst, right? And for the data engineering, right, for the automation VBA developer and so on, right? So in this video, right, we are going to create a one smart data entry form where we will be adding where we will be creating a user form. In that particular user form we will be adding the search button, update, add, delete, right, and auto generation ID. And here also we will get to see the integration of the MS Access Excel with the Excel. So let's be with me in this video, okay? And this is something which is going to be very helpful for you guys. So even I have not created any demo for you, so I will also create with you, okay? Let's see how you guys can create it without Google help, okay, by yourself, right? When you have a good understanding about VBA Excel and the features, right, and the concept especially, okay, and the concept and logics, then anything is possible, okay, whatever the requirement comes. So let's start with me and let's start doing it first. So these are the headers, this is the data, okay. In these headers I would like to update my headers. So first let me save it in one of a folder. So I'm saving it here, okay. Browse. This video is going to be little little longer today. So YouTube, okay. So here in this particular folder, let me create a smart data entry software. In this particular folder, let me save it, smart data entry software version 1.1, and let's make it in the binary. Okay, I have saved my this file, okay, in that particular folder. Let me go in that folder first. Let me go in that folder, YouTube files, and I would like to create a one MS Access database here. So right click, go in the new, select this Microsoft Access database, right? Let's give the name as data. Okay, open it. And after opening, you have your data set. This is the headers that in which that you would like to update your record. So let's copy and paste it. This is how you will be able to create your tables. So the table is now here, but we have to check one thing, the data type. Right click and go in the design view. Here you will like, here if you will get to say the ID is in text. So I would like to have it in the number first. Okay, number, location, date, it should be in the date format, so it will be like a date and time, and amount and quantity also will be in the number. Okay, everything, mode of payment will be in the text, so everything is okay. Now save it. This is what you have to do. This is the best way. Okay, and let's rename it as database. Okay, the table name is database. Now I don't have any entry so far, right? I don't have any entry so far. I will create the entry, okay, with you. So let's design it first. So here we have to think that what color combination, right, what features that we need to add. So let's do it together. So press Alt F11, Alt IM. This is the module. Now press Alt IU for the creating the user form. This is the user form, right? And after that, what you can do, what you can do, just simply drag it till here. I would like to, this is enough, right? Color combination is really very important, guys, right? I would like to press F4 to have that properties. Right now here I can make the changes. Caption I would like to give here smart data entry software. All right, next what we need to do, now let's choose the professional color. Okay, let's, okay, here, right here, good colors, color picker for example. Okay, pick color from an image. After that, I don't want to have it, color picker. I also have some. Now let's choose it from here. Here you can choose any professional color. For example, I'm choosing everything I would like to have in the green. No, I would like to have it everything in little orange, or blue is the one. Blue is, I think, best one. Let's make everything in the blue. Okay, now this is the color format. Okay, now let's copy it. Okay, after that background color I would like to give, the border or back color. Come here. After that, go in the here and right click. Okay, here what you can do, here we have to give the RGB. Do we have any RGB there? Let me see. I don't see any RGB. RGB hex is here. RGB. Okay, 81, 110 and 139. Okay, so 81 right here, 81 not here. Right click, again go back to here and right click here. 81, 81, after that 110, 139, 110, 139. Now add color, simple. Okay, this is what actually you have to do. Okay, and that's how that you can choose your professional color in this way, right? So here this is the color we have chosen here. Now let's create a one header. So let's draw one label here and right here, smart sales data entry software. And now font I would like to choose it here, would like to choose here as Comic Sans. Comic Sans is a good one. No, let me see which one is much better. Calibri, let's see. Calibri is okay. Make it bold and size I would like to have here as 14. Okay, now what you can do, you can font color I would like to have here as white. Now let me run it, how it looks like. It looks good, no problem. After that, what you can do, okay, no code so far. Let me design it first, and after designing, okay, this is what actually we have done. Now here I would like to take one frame. Let's take one frame here. I'm not creating any login ID or something. Okay, if you want that, let me know, or you also can add by yourself. I already have created the video on that particular thing. All right, after that, in this I don't want to have any header. Let's remove it, no problem. After that, what I can do, I would like to have here one more frame inside the frame. Okay, here controllers. Okay, and font color I would like to have here as white. Absolutely good. Now let me run it, how it looks like. Okay, it looks good. Okay, the spelling I have to make it correct. It should be data entry form. Okay, now it's good. Here now I have to add the labels. What are the headers I do have first? So ID, product name. ID will be your not optional. It will be auto generated, right? So you don't need to do anything here. Now what you can do, just take one label here and make it here as ID or sales ID. Simple. Okay, and font I would like to have here as bold and 10 and okay, and font color would be as white. It's good. Now just copy and paste. For sales ID it's okay, no problem. For next, product name, okay, then copy and paste again. After that, product name I would like to have here as, the location. After that, I would like to have here as date, quantity. I also need to see quantity. Okay, and after that, after the quantity, amount and payment. Amount and mode of payment. Mode of payment I will like to have here. That's okay. Now what I can do, I can adjust it as well. I can take it little up, and I can make this user form little smaller. Okay, now let's rename. First let's select all these things. Just wait, select it like this, and after that go here, text align in the center. Not center, I think it will be best in the left. Okay, now what you can go, you can go here in view, not view, where is that, format, align, alignment. Here I am not seeing any alignment here. Why? Let me see, just select it again. Okay, so what is happening, select like this. I don't know why I'm not seeing that. Just select it and go in here, format, align. Okay, align in the left, or let's align in the left. It's good. Now same for this, select it and format, align in the left. Okay, now this is, now we have added the header here. Next what we need to do, we need to rename it with the respective name. First it will be like a product name, product name. Okay, after that product location and date, it will be like a location. Okay, and date. Date, I think it will be best that if you will rename it as a date. Let's make it as date. And after that, after the date, we do have quantity, amount, and mode of payment. Quantity, QTY, and amount, and mode of payment. Mode of payment. Okay, hey, now what we need to do, we need to draw here text boxes. So text box, choose here and draw it in this way. And color, background color, I would like to have little different. I think it will be best if I will give you, no, kind of this one, no, let me make it in this way. Okay, just click here and also format it. Font size I would like to have as 10, and Calibri, and okay. Now let me see if I will write something, so how it will look like. It doesn't look good. Let's make it bold first. So one time formatting we will do, and 11, or okay. Now let's see. Okay. It seems good. Okay, now what we can do, we can simply just copy, paste for the product. Okay, copy and paste for location. Very good. After that, after the location, let's copy and paste for date. Okay, for date, let's make it little down. Okay, now simple copy and paste for the quantity as well. Quantity and amount and mode of payment. Mode of payment I would like to have here as I would like to have here as after that, I in the combo box, let's choose, right? So go in the insert format, where is that, toolbox. Okay, and combo box is here. I think this is the combo box. Choose it and draw it in this way, and same color, no changes, bold, Calibri, and 10. Okay, and background color I would like to have here as this one. Okay, now let me see how it looks like. It looks good. Okay, next I would like to have here as search button. First command button we need to do search, updated here as search. Okay, and color I would like to have here, let me come back to the color. Meanwhile let me format the font. Okay, 12. Okay, now background color I would like to have here as little dark green. and after that the font I would like to have it as white. Okay, and here I would like to have the mouse cursor. When you will see, okay, when I'm hovering my mouse, okay, on over this button, so I don't see any impact. It seems like that, this is something like any object, but I would like to make it little different when I will hover my cursor here. So for that, what we need to do, simple, just click here, go in the mouse icon. Okay, mouse icon. Okay, here you have to write here, see user cursor, something like what was that, I'm unable to remember that. See Windows cursor, I think, yes. Okay, when you will enter this particular path, see Windows cursor, then you will be able to see this one. After that, now let's take this one, open, and mouse pointer I would like to you know set as 99. Now when you will again run this, you will be able to see something different. You look, okay. If you don't want this black one, if you want to change, so just click here. Again, go in the mouse icon. Okay, here you will get to see something different. Now let's see how it looks like. Okay, it's also good. Okay, and that's how you can do for everything. Just copy and paste. No, just click again, click, paste here for search, and now this is for delete. Delete, just right here as delete. And for the delete, what you can do, background color you can make it as red. Okay, now another button for update. If I want to update something, I can also update easily. So let's make the background color as orange. Okay, now simple, not orange, it seems still like maroon, orange. Okay, now just copy and paste here. For this is for update, this is only for the update, this is for upload or enter. Okay, upload in DB, which means database. Okay, you can just make it little smaller. Okay, decrease the width of it. Now our form design is ready. Now when you will run it, you will be able to see this particular form. This is something very professional, but still we can do some adjustment. Okay, let me decrease the height of this particular frame and height of this, and now height of the user form. Now absolutely this is perfect. Now when you will run it, you will be able to see this particular form, and absolutely it is amazing. But now the thing is that we have developed the front design. Okay, we have developed that how the software will look like, but yes, there's still the background stuffs we need to do. We have to do the lot of coding behind it, right? That then it will work. So first let's see, it is text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, text box 4, text box 5, text 6, and a combo box. The first thing I would like to have here, I do have mode of payment only 3: cash, online, and card. Okay, and that's what actually first, when I will, whenever this particular user form gets activated for the user, okay, then it should automatically add the mode of payment in the drop down. So for that, just double click here, go here, and just come here and come back and click here any user form here, and after that activate. In the activate, dim, not dim, simple, with me dot combo box 1 and with dot add item as card, dot add item as cash, dot add item as online. Okay, online UPI. Now when I will run it, you will be able to see the first coding we are successfully able to add. Okay, now this is done. And another thing, when here I would like to run it when I would like to enter it first, whenever I will enter, for example, if this is the software, now I would like to enter some details and want to upload that into the database. So first, this sales ID should auto generate it. It will check the logic behind it. What I am thinking and what I will implement is that, whenever this user form is getting pop up for the user, so it will automatically first, predefined sales ID should be always there whenever the user form is being, activated for the user, right? So it should first check, okay, if any data is there, so starting of sales ID will be starting from 111. If anything is already there, if anything is there, maximum number I would like to capture first. Okay, if anything is 222, then it will add 100. Okay, something like that. So let's make the mechanism behind it. So what we can do, double click, and first whenever we need to integrate the database with MS Access, so we have to enable one library. Go in the tools and click on the references, and after that come here and click here Microsoft ActiveX 6.1, Microsoft ActiveX Data Object 6.1 library. Just right here dim CNN as new AudioDB connection, RST as new record set, K as integer, a QRY as variant or string, whatever. Okay. After that, CNN.open Microsoft ACE.OLEDB 12.0. This is a string that you have to write, and after that CNN.open. Here you have to give your database path. So I would like to make it dynamic. So this workbook.path, and after that, what you can do, you can make your database name as data.accdb access database. This is the database I already have hard coded in the code. Okay, and after that I would like to write here my query QRY select maximum select maximum. Okay, the sales ID, what is the name behind that? ID, right? So ID, okay, maximum ID I would like to get as sales ID from DT or database. I think this is the table name I think we do have in this particular database. Let me check. Yes, exactly. Okay, now what should be done? What should be done here? So I would like to first run it. rst.open QRY CNN, and after that open keyset and adlock optimistic. Okay, if rst dot record count is greater than 0, then what should happen? Then it should be like me dot text box 1 dot value. Okay, is after that we do have uh, rst dot field 0 dot value plus 100. So for example, last ID we already have some data set. For example, here what we are doing is, if we do already have some data set into the database, right? And we want to now auto generate basis the last ID which is in the database. For example, the last ID is there 100. Now the new ID would like to generate, okay, to adding the 100 more number. So new ID automatically as a 200, and that's how I think I'm calculating now. Else, if it is not like that, then it should be me dot text box 1 dot value rst dot field 0 dot value, then it will be static as 100. Okay, and end if and cnn dot close. This is something which will automatically generate your, it will automatically generate your sales ID. This code will automatically will generate sales ID. Now let's run it. Let me save it first. I saved it. Now let me run it. As soon as I'm running, I'm getting any error. Data source name not found and no default driver is specified. Where is the error? Microsoft.ace.oledb. Oh, so it should be like equal to. Okay, let's press F8. Not open, not open. It should be provider now. Equal to, instead of open, make it here as provider. Now F8, F8. Good. Syntax error in from. Where is the data? Select max ID as sales ID from database. So is it not true? Maximum number ID. Max ID as simple. Now press again. Let me rerun it first. Double click and let's debug it here. I am pressing F5. After that it's good. Now let me press F8. Syntax error in from clause. Where is the data? Select max ID from. We don't have any max ID. Let me check. Is it the correct header name which I have given? Database. All right. ID is correct. Here we don't have any issue. Database. All right. Let me see if I'm making any mistakes. Select max ID from database. That's absolutely okay. And what is the query? Select max ID from database. Okay, absolutely okay. Then rst.open qry. We don't have any issue, but let me see where is the issue. Let me remove these two lines. Let me check if it syntax in from clause from here we do have a from qry as string. Let me change it. Now run it again. Syntax error in from clause. So here we are getting some error. Dot ad open key set ad lock optimistic. Now let me rst dot open. Let me debug it. What is the problem? Debug dot print. This is how sometimes we have to debug the query when the issue is not, we are not able to identify. F8. Select max ID from database. Okay, so what is the problem? Okay, let me reset it. Let me check the query if I'm writing and everything is correct. So everything is correct here according to me. Right click, not right click. After that go here in the database and database tool, and after that what we can do, sorry, go in the create table design or query design. For example, here field would be as ID. Let me drag it here, and this is how you can check it. Okay, and after that what you can do, I don't want to short it here or anything, and what we can do, create here total, not group by, as maximum of ID. Okay, now let's run it. I don't need this, so remove it. Click on run and save it. Design view or SQL view. Let me check. Select database ID as max ID. That's what actually we are doing. Right now let me just copy it. Oh, so database is as a reserved keyword. What I can assume. Let's me again check if I will keep it this database as in the square bracket. So will it work? Or also this one. Okay, now let me close it. I don't want to save anything. Now let me run it again. F8, 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 F8. Yes, that was the problem actually. So just because of this is the database already the reserved name, and we had to, we had to, okay, we had to put that database string inside the square bracket, which we didn't, right? That's why we were getting that error. And that's how, we have to identify the error, because everything, the query was absolutely correct, but the thing is we missed to putting the square bracket there. Now f8, yes, this is greater than 0. Is it, what is the count? It should be greater than 1. Okay, again. Okay, f8, f8, f8. Absolutely, see here we are getting automatically. Now let me already have our module sub procedure. Question number 1, call user form 1 dot show and false. This user form 1. Okay, now let me take one button here and design it. I'm simply assigning this question number 1 and show software. Now let me run it. As soon as I will run it, I'm already getting it here. Now product name I would like to give here as, for example, watch I purchase, and location will be as Delhi, and date, for example, 12/02/2026, and quantity 1, amount 23,000, and mode of payment as card. Now if I would click on upload in DB, it should automatically update these details into the database. Okay, that's what actually we are looking for. Now for doing that, what you need to do, just click here. Okay, and simple just copy it, copy, and command 4 paste it here. After that, not max id, just remove it. What you need to do, you simply need to do rst.open table name as database. Okay, then key connection cnn ad open dynamic key set and ad lock optimistic. After that, what you need to do, rst.add new, rst.field, in field 1 dot value I would like to update me dot text dot value. Just copy and paste it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. We do have how many headers? 7 headers, right? 6 7, that's it. 6, because indexing is starting from 0. It will be 2 3 4 5 6, and last one will be as combo box, me dot combo box dot value, rst dot update. Okay, and now me dot text box 1 dot value will be blank. Just copy and paste. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6, and after that, that's it. Message box data has been uploaded successfully into the database VB information. Okay, that's what actually we need to do. Now let's run it. Is it really happening or not? Now watch. Okay, location Delhi, date 12 Feb 2026, and after that quantity 1, amount 23,000, mode of payment as cash. And now let's update the database. Upload in DB. Data has been uploaded successfully into the database. Now I want to see exactly this has happened or not. Let me check. Let me go back to the database and let me see here. Okay, clicking on the database, really it is happening. But again, here is one issue. As soon as the data was there, let me click here. Again, it is still 100. Why it is 100? It should be 200. 100 is already there. So here I think I'm having some issue in my code. So instead of here I think I'm getting something. I'm getting something not good. I'm pressing F5. Record count is greater than equal to. Now it should be good. Now let me see, it is 200. Absolutely, it is working. Now I do have 200. Now let me add another one. Laptop, location Mumbai, date 12 March 2026, quantity 2, and 1,05,000. Okay, after that, mode of payment as card, and upload in the DB. Press F5. Okay, but as soon as my data is being updated, here I'm getting one issue. I'm not getting any auto generated sales ID. I have to enter. User can enter manually, right? I don't want that to be happen. So what exactly it should automatically happen? So what I can do, I can call my this code, just copy it and paste it after that. Okay, for auto generating the sales ID, paste it. That's how I think we have to think and we have to work. Okay, now again let's go back. Click here, 300 is coming right here as the bike, Delhi, date 1 Jan 2026, quantity 1, amount for example 65,000, and online UPI, and upload in DB. As soon as things happen, operation is not allowed because we have not closed the database. Let's close it here and again run it from here. Okay, F5. They look. Now if I want to see my data, is it really happened or not? So here you can see all those records are being captured and keep on updating the data here. Look, and how we can have this data as well, I will give you the option in the data set, right? So what we can do, we can simply come here, and this is what actually we have done. So we have written the code inside the upload in DB. Now if I want to search any sales ID, then now come here, and after that just take these lines again, just take this line, come here, paste it. Here we have to do one thing, here QRY, select star from database, spelling should be correct guys, database where ID is equal to me dot text box 1 dot value. Okay, and after that I'm checking it. Now I have to check it. Okay, remove it, rst dot open qry cnn, then key set and ad lock optimistic. Check here if rst dot record count is, if this is greater than or equal to 1, then what should happen, it should be like remove it, me dot text box 1 dot 2 dot value, rst dot field, rst dot field dot k dot value. This is how we have to update. Copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, and now let's update. 3 4 3 4 5 6. Okay, we have 6, and now field 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it should be now text box is okay, and after that it will be coming here as comma box 1. Okay, else message box should be id does not exists, baby critical. Okay, and if. Now what we have done, if somebody is trying to searching some old or existing sales ID to have the particular detail, and if the ID is being generated, then they will able to see the data inside into the user form. If the ID doesn't, then it will throw you the error as ID does not exist, right? So now let's check it. Is it really working? For example, we don't have any ID by 900. Let me search. ID does not exist. Okay, let me one-handed. Wow, amazing. We do have a data, right? And that's how we have to write the code. That's what actually we are doing. You look. So the code is being little, we are keep on writing the code, but yes, we are also, I'm keep on telling you the steps as well, right? And now the search one is also okay. If I want to delete something, then how I can delete that? Simple click here. Okay, just copy it, copy the and just copy till here. Command run 2. If select id is there, all right, me and this one, I would like to delete, not delete from database where the id is this, all right. Message box cnn dot close, message box id record has been deleted, bb information. Now I would like to clear everything. For clearing, I already have this code. Just copy it and come back and paste it here. Now let me save and search. I would like to have 100 and search. We do have details. Yes, we do have. I want to delete it. Delete, the record has been updated. Now let me again search. Is it really existing? ID does not generate. Okay, that's how we have to do. Okay, after that what we can do, just click here again. We do have 400. We can add. Now we need to, last one we have to write the code update if we do have some changes. Okay, we do, I want to change the product name against this particular sales ID. How I can do that? For that, let me write in a code. Alt F11. Okay, user form, double click, just copy it like this. Just copy everything and come and paste it. After that, we need to do the minor changes here. Simple. If we do have some details after searching, if after search, okay, we have to search first, then we need to update. And after that, what we can do, database cnn.ad open key set. Now here we have to write in a query. For writing the query, what you can do, qry, okay, update database, okay, database, okay, set, what we need to update, set as product name. Okay, name we have to remember, product name. Okay, this is we do have in me dot text box 2 dot value, because id already we do have. Okay, and after that, what we need to update, we need to update location. We do have where me dot text box 3 dot value. After that, what we need to date. So date do have in me dot text box 4 dot value. And after that, we do have quantity. Okay, quantity we do have in me dot text box 5 dot value. And after that, we do have amount we do have where we have me dot text box 6 dot value. And at last one, we do have what, mode of payment. Payment we do have in combo box dot value. Okay, this is where id is equal to me dot text box 1 dot value. This is the query you have to write, guys. Okay, this is the query you have to write. I don't need this one. Okay, I don't need these things. I can simply write here rst dot open qry and cnn. That's it, and cut it, and I'm pasting it here. That's it. And after that, after updating, I would like to clear everything, and now to have the new sales ID. The code I already have written in the above. This is the update code. Okay, updated. This is the query to updating the table. Now let me save and come back, and now let me see if I would like to have some changes in the ID of 200 and search. Now we do have these details. I would like to make the 2 as 5. Now update. Okay, now as soon as I clicked on update, I think I didn't get any message box. Why? We don't have any message boxes, right? So message box data has been updated, VB information. Now let me see, we made the changes for the ID of 200. So again, let's search it, 200, and search here. So see, it is 5. Now let me make it as 10 and update. Now let me again see 200 and search. You see 10. Let me make it as laptop 5 and update. Again, let me see, it is really working. Search laptop 5. So all these buttons are working absolutely good. I will attach this tool, I will attach this software, okay, in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. But yes, it's still the one thing we need to do. What we need to do, we need to give the one option, export data. So if somebody wants, okay, to have in as the master data, so master data, so from where they can get it. I don't want the user to go back and go into the database and manually extracting the data. I don't want that to be happen. So I'm giving the option here, export data into Excel, and let's change the color as light green. Now click here and write here the code. Let me just copy it here and paste it right here. Dim WKB as workbook as well. QRY select star from database. Okay, CNN dot provider Microsoft dot ACE dot OLEDB 12.0. Okay, and after that what we need to do, CNN dot open this workbook dot path database. It is like a data.accdb. Okay, this is the dynamic path. Now after that, rst.open, execute this query. After executing, now what we need to do, we have to declare one variable wkb as a workbooks to have a new workbook. And after that, there I would like to print my header k equal to 0 to rst.field.count -1 next k. And after that, range a k a1 dot offset 0 comma k dot value rst dot fields k dot name. Okay, range a2 dot copy from record set rst, and after that cnn dot close. Message box should be message box. Data has been exported into the Excel. Please check VB information. Okay, this is the code I written. Now let me completely check it first. First, search. Let me search 200. It is working, but I would like to delete it. Delete it. Okay, let me check. Is it really existing? Search. No. But again, I would like to add here as laptop. Okay, Delhi. Sorry, Delhi. Date as 3 March 2026. Quantity is 12. And amount is like 5 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5 cart. Let me upload into the DB. Great. Now again let me check, we do have a data. Yes, we do have a data. Let me make the changes here. Instead of 12 it is 2. Update it. Okay, now let me see my updation really got reflected into the database or not. Search. Yes, 2. Okay, now I would like to get my all the details into the one separate Excel sheet. So how I can do that? Simple click on the export data into the Excel. Data has been exported. Okay, let me close it now. Okay, so let me save and let me see. These are the 2 records only I do have. Let me see. Go into the database and check. Yes, only 2 records we do have. So we are successfully able to create this particular tool. Okay, this which will help us to create a one kind of smart data entry software which will be helpful for entering the details and for the doing the practice as well. So let me attach this into the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Thank you.